Hi YouTube, I'm Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about IT top IT IT checklist of things to plan for. Just a kind of just a reality check for 2023. So, as I record this video, we're coming to the end of the year, and some things you just want to be aware of, like for example, Windows Server 2012 is end of life on October 10th of 2023. So if you're still running Windows Server 2012, it's not too early to start making plans to either upgrade those servers or retire them or just get them out of your network because they're not going to be supported after October 10th of 2023. Also, any hardware that's end of life, you want to make sure you replace that with something that is supported. That also goes for software, anything that's no longer supported like Windows Server 2012 this year. Also, take a look at your hardware and software support agreements. Also, not a terrible time to look at budgets, both expense and if you're on the consulting side, revenue, and have some projections for those. SSL certificates they're now requiring most companies are requiring a rekey of the certificate every 12 months. So even though you buy a 3-year certificate, you have to rekey it once every 12 months. So those are things, and of course there's other things as well, but those are some of the major things that you want to make sure that you take care of for the coming year. If you need any help planning that or identifying things that are on your radar, we use our internal system tracks like all the expiration dates of things that need to be renewed. That's another thing. You don't need that. You could just do it in an Excel spreadsheet or something like that, but at least have some way of tracking that. There's nothing worse than having an emergency, calling into support, and they go, oh yeah, that server or software just fell out of support 2 days ago, so we can't talk to you. Okay, bye, right? Hang up on you like, oh my gosh. So that's a bad place to be. Never want to be stuck in that situation. So just make sure you stay on top of those expiration dates for things. A lot of them are annual. Some of them are 3 years, depending on how long you bought the support for. But that's our tip of the week. It sounds pretty obvious, but we still see it happen a lot, so that's why I'm talking about it now. So if you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Thanks a lot for listening. Stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon.